In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable visual search in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. If you've been seeing the visual search option pop up and you want a cleaner browsing experience, this tutorial is for you. The good news is that it only takes a moment to turn off and you don't need any advanced settings or extra tools. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page, where you can change different browsing options. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and behaves on your screen, and it's also where the visual search setting is located. Now scroll down until you find Browser Behavior and Features. Click to open that section if it isn't already expanded. Inside this area, look for the option labeled Enable Visual Search. You'll see a toggle next to it, and all you need to do is switch it off. Once the toggle is turned off, visual search will be disabled in Edge, so you won't have to deal with it while browsing. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled visual search in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple how-to guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.